Court of Appeal are exonerate one of the judges say get it dismissed over Anas Arimeya Anas near expose no. I don't know. Mama Wati say if there is a year Anas Arimeya Anas or non so wafemu pa a year we wafemu. Now I'll read the story and then we'll get an understanding because it's anyway. Now something in and say you see Embra Anas obe expose judges be say omo aje bribe and na womu di asema microphone. This judge was part of them. Na enu hunti ya jide juma free nsem you say judge no asem ya wakan bia yentie. But later no call back to Court of Appeal. And I walk cast as I did not the year no in try because Anas allegations are Anas the born and they say wa Jessica Emma will be an with the boneno we release it in Pacrono. Now so record say the background na say can say you releasing no say the background mum ya china tum into a wrong reportage and I diaba into the fact so to be proved say Anas we release you be and I check hu say that be say ni background you release and ya china tum ni mum no and a Court of Appeal can say oh and they say we the bonena e dey to no so say we dey so ndi into all this for ala ni yi no as judge no naturally say we weren't fair to him. Inti enam so Emma Court of Appeal exonerate no. Inti Sisiano judgment na bano that means he will be reinstated as a judge. But we are going to speak about if indeed it is true na Sisia was say we reinstated as a judge. How many years na Anas Anas? How many years ago and our years are expose we na say about say a mistake and or the years are papaya. Is it fair? Because all this while no natural say judge we na no no. So who is going to compensate the judge if indeed it is true? And then first time or has subscribe and click the notification bell. So let me read the story no na yenyanti asia papa. As the Court of Appeal exonerates judge dismissed over Anas's judicial expose. As a circuit court judge dismissed in the wake of Anas Anas's undercover investigation on the judiciary has gotten a favorable judgment against his dismissal at the Court of Appeal. Judge Benjamin Yao Osei, who was filmed by undercover investigators at Joabin, his station at the time, was part of 20 lower court judges dismissed after a judicial service process. Anas's charge against him was that he had freed an accused person after receiving bribes from them. The charge Anas the born no, and they say send your mema out here say no accused person be we free no after warje bribe free omo eho. See, his lawyers, however, argued before the 3-member Court of Appeal panel that contrary to the allegations made in the video, the accused person had actually been convicted and imprisoned. See, the panel presided over by Justice Senyo Jamefe on Thursday, June 22nd, thus reversed an earlier High Court judgment against the appellant. The judgment means he may be reinstated as a judge. Now, two things. Either saying all the judges are ganging up against Anas and trying to make Anas look bad, or in this particular case, maybe Anas did a sloppy work. Two things. Either say Anas and Yene Jumaye, and then the Anas ababedane judges not time for. In the case be a beko could do Nimbiano, or more per se Anas a looky bad. But this year, especially with the judiciary side, it has not been good for Anas. He has, I mean, just within the space of 1-2 months, he has lost countless court cases. Ama Indra, me sanso de bremo say, court kra eka, say Anas, say wamba court amba me yini niman train antechi a, nyantechi case no, yebe forget it, na yeja nyantechi. and I'm sa case ni so and I'm actually ewuye nti asem no nyina no any. Now for me my main issue let me check the year Anas expose charges no. Meba let me check the year Anas or expose charges no. Say year Anas or expose charges no was so I'm checking the year Anas exposed the charges, right? Was it 2020? What year did no it wasn't. I don't think it was 2020. I mean it was far a year ben Anas exposed charges 2015 and it's here for 7 years ago, right? 7 years ago and Anas exposed charges, no 8, right? 8 years ago Anas exposed charges. Now if indeed it is true, say, and the Supreme Court, Supreme Court, Court of Appeal, am a ruling, say, judge way, and now saying treating the year. That say 8 years, ni judge ni man no jane bono. So now who is going to compensate him? Is it the state or who? Because Anas no, I don't need the say wakwa expose judge the naba. Ena empenifo so who say Anas investigation wire into yama judgment in a fee. And the court about when say judge no say won't be bonibia. So who is going to compensate him for 8 years ni? So if indeed it is true, as some way I can, then it is not cool. So yamo be anwe dwane asheno for 8 good years. And in chaye kra into no. And no. Say America no say your judges so and I should that gangi up against Anas. And as I say, I should that I mean the court case is all loose because of payback the other year judges some time ago there. Then it is, I mean, someone, I don't know. I'm not saying that is what is happening, but once I assembly about, you have to beat all sides. Montreal, your comment box in the moment I see.